In this video, I'm going to show you how to download CapCut for PC step by step, so you can get the desktop app installed quickly and start editing on your computer. Whether you're using the official CapCut website or the Microsoft Store, this is a simple process, and I'll walk you through each part so you don't get stuck. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open your browser and go to the official CapCut website, or you can open the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. On either platform, look for the button that says Download for Free, or Get. This is the button that starts the download process for CapCut on your computer. If you're on the official site, clicking Download for Free will usually begin downloading the installer file. If you're using the Microsoft Store, clicking Get will prepare the app for installation through Windows. Once the download starts, let it finish completely before you move on. After that, open your Downloads folder and look for the CapCut installer file. In most cases, this will be a file with the .exe extension. Double-click that file to begin the installation process. If Windows shows a security prompt, click Yes or Allow so the installer can make changes to your device. Next, you'll see the CapCut setup window. This is where you complete the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. You may be asked to accept the terms and conditions, choose an installation location, or confirm a few basic settings. If you're not sure where to install it, the default location is usually fine for most users. Then click the Install button and let the setup finish. Depending on your computer, this may take a minute or two. Once the installation is complete, you can launch CapCut right away. Open the app from your desktop, Start menu, or the Microsoft Store if that's how you installed it. The first time CapCut opens, it may run a quick compatibility test to check whether your hardware can handle the editing tools properly. This is normal, and it helps make sure the app runs smoothly on your PC. If everything checks out, you're ready to start using CapCut on desktop. From there, you can begin editing videos, adding effects, trimming clips, and working with all the tools CapCut offers on PC. So to quickly recap, download the installer, run the .exe file, complete the setup prompts, and then launch CapCut to finish the compatibility check. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.